So guys, new hand tool has just been released. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to install it. It's a pretty awesome update. Kind of late on this, actually pretty late. It's been released for a couple of days, but I've been really busy and I haven't been getting around to doing this tutorial. And I haven't installed it even myself, honestly. So with the description, you're gonna get the link, and it's gonna take you to the download page. You're just gonna get this PKG, no zip file. So it's the same as all this, right? I'm just showing because if anybody's new to the channel, or even to my channel, or just never done this before, I'm sure if you guys watch my videos or any other hand tutorial, you know how to do this. But if you don't, and it's your first time installing the Han Toolbox, the way you do it is simply, it's a PKG file. All you gotta do is, my USB is plugged in. What am I talking about? Let's go to your USB drive, and you want to set it, you want to put it in there in the root directory, meaning the directory, the main, like as soon as you click it, this directory. You don't want it can't be inside a folder, basically. Just put it in there, alright? And that's the simple part of the desktop. So now it's in there. Yeah, you don't need to sign this package, do you? You might need to. If not, I'll re-record this and you won't ever know. But let's take this to the PS3. And believe guys, yes, this is probably gonna keep here. So this desktop is disasters. It's horrible for tutorials. It looks like a mess, but I don't know what to do with it. It's here and I don't want to change it. It's just, well, maybe this stuff can go. All this old game development things, it's here. Look, I just don't, look at this. Let me just, I clicked. It takes 6 seconds for it to do that, so I'm gonna keep it. Anyway, let's go to the PS3. Alright guys, now we are on the PS3. So I had a bit of trouble. I was doing this part, I was trying to install Han, and it didn't want to work. I realized it didn't want to work. I just forgot to do one last step. So this is about my 5th time recording this. So let's start once again. Sorry guys, if you can hear the PS3, I've said this about 5 times, but if you can hear the PS3, it's because of Silver Slam. It sounds like a vacuum. It's so bad. Ventilation is terrible. Alright, let's begin. Let's go to package manager. Let's go to standard, the one we always go to, and let's install. Let's go ahead and install that Han, and wait for that. Important step here, if you're not seeing it, and if you haven't watched the tutorial all the way through and you just skipped this part, because I know some people do, they skip and they're like, oh, I know how to do it. Okay, stop the tutorial. Yep, make sure you do this because it's important. You're gonna complain in the comments, some people are. Restart your PS3. It's not gonna be there, okay? It's not gonna be right here. It's gonna be still 0.3, so you're gonna restart PS3, and let's wait for that to boot up again. And once again, it boots up, it reloads everything. So once it boots up again, it's gonna reload all the packages from Han. To wait for that to load. And now we're just gonna go see if it installed, and we're gonna go over some features. We're not gonna go too incredibly crazy on them. But this new toolbox is great. It's a fantastic update. Great job from the developers. Added some great functionality in here. So we have, okay, so you see in here we have a bunch of the new tools that they've been making. I made some tutorials like the cold boot and everything, but this is gonna make it so much easier. You don't have to do all those steps that I showed you in this tutorial, so you can just click on them. So fantastic update. Oh, this is probably the feature I'm so excited for. So it's called Demo Downloader. So this is gonna let you download your PS games. So what we're gonna want to do is go to Han Toolbox. Toolbox settings. So when we're in Han Toolbox, we're going here, and you have to install it. So let's install this. So when we click it, yep, we click it. Let's install that, and wait for that to do its thing. And it's installing. Just click circle, and I want to go back. We have to install the second one. So let's go into this toolbox settings. demo downloader, and let's go here. And let's wait for that to install. Alright, now that we clicked on it, it's gonna take us to this link. Once we're on this link, I can't really show you guys, but you're gonna click here. You're gonna find the one. Sorry, it's hard for me to see. If you click here, you're gonna find the one that says explore. It's gonna say underscore plugin full. You're gonna click that one. The one you see here, I can't really see it, so I can't really explain what it says, but it's this one. So you click that. You're gonna click your root USB. There you go. Now we're gonna initialize it, and let's just wait for this to do its thing. Initialize. It might fail. It does. I'm just gonna save as a bookmark and do it again. Alright, now that it's initialized, we're just gonna install it. Just click that. And let's wait for that to install. It's gonna restart the PS3. It's gonna restart the PS3. Alright, now that your PS3 is done rebooting, you're gonna click on your account, and it's gonna successfully, hopefully, install the Han Toolbox demo downloader. So if we go to Han Toolbox, and now if we go to demo downloader, it all works. Yes, so now you get all the demo titles here, so you can now download demos without going into the PlayStation Store, and you don't have to sign in to PSN, so you don't risk your account getting banned. So now you have everything here. You can just download it if you ever want to download demos. So yes, guys, that is going to be it for today's tutorial. If you saw earlier, you saw that there was a font replacer. So I know I got a comment on like 2 videos ago. Somebody said if I could do a tutorial on that. I'll look into it. It seems pretty straightforward now that Han Toolbox has a direct option of doing a font. But what I'm gonna look forward is to customizing or get custom fonts. See if there's any two out there. But yeah, so you have that to look forward to if I do decide and get it to work. So keep a lookout for that if it does happen. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys did find it helpful or enjoyable at least. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.